In this video, we will show you how to reverse video in Wondershare Filmora video editor. First, to reverse your video, you need to open your Wondershare Filmora, and after that, we need to import the asset using our video. Maybe sometimes we need to reverse when playing the video. Okay, how to do that? First, we need to import our video. Just click this import on the media tab. Select your video. For example, we have walk video. Okay, in the normal way, my video is look like this, and he walking to the front. How to reverse this video? So he looks like walking to back. Okay, or walking reverse. To playing reverse on Wondershare Filmora video editor, you need to click your video. There is two options. Okay, make sure you active on the video timeline here, and you can select this. Okay, you can select speed and choose reverse. Okay, this is the first option. You can see when you set the reverse, the video will playing reverse like this. So the people likes walking to back or reverse. And the number second, if you need to make him faster, you can just adjust the speed by clicking this arrow. Okay, and select fast, for example 4 times, and looks the results. Now the video playing reverse faster. And this is the first option when you need to edit the reverse video. If your Filmora version doesn't have this option, we will delete this. Okay, and this is the second option. When you don't have this option, you can try find in here, but if you cannot get this option, you can just try to double click your video on the timeline. After you double click, select the speed tab here and choose reverse. Please toggle on here. It is the same. Now your video will reverse. Okay, and if you need to adjust the speed, you can adjust here manually. Okay, you can see you can adjust the speed manually and try to see the results. And that's how you can reverse your video using Wondershare Filmora video editor. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.